around. I don't wanna hide, just want to be found.
Hi, I'm Neha Shah and welcome to this Type D Platinum apartment here in South Perth, located in the award-winning Civic Heart development.
I keep breathing.
Located in Perth's tallest residential building, these stunning 148 square metre platinum apartments feature 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and 2 car bays with world-class finishes.
I keep on running inside my head, facing memories that I forget.
Civic Heart offers an unparalleled living experience with world-class amenities, all in the vibrant heart of South Perth. To find out more, get in touch today at civicheart.com.au.